What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here we are, another day in the garage, another day with the N54, another day trying to fix it and getting it to run right. So as you guys saw in the last video, if you didn't see it, I'll leave it right up here. We actually got this baby to finally start. We did have a few minor things, like the oil's leaking from here, like it's leaking from this general area. The main thing was when we started it, it idled fine, but then once I gave it some gas, I got a code, which the code was I think 2A98, which was like crankshaft, and then it said like camshaft inlet correlation or something like that. So after doing some research, I figured out that there's pretty much only really like a few things that it could be. So number one, we're gonna change sensors. So the sensors I changed were these ones right here. I took these off the old motor right there, and I put them on the new motor. What I didn't do though was I didn't take the Vanos solenoids from here and put them on the new motor. So the Vanos solenoids that are in this motor now, they might be bad. I don't know how long this motor was sitting for prior to me buying it or anything like that. So we're gonna change that, and then if that still doesn't work, we're gonna take this sensor, which is the crankshaft position sensor. We'll take that sensor out and we'll put that in there. By the way, I've been saying I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod. This has been our tripod. So yeah, I mean, jacks come in handy. They're multi-purpose tools. So I'm gonna put you guys on that so you guys can see, you know, what I'm doing here, and let's get to it. Alright, so here we are. These were the ones that were in the motor that I just took out. As you see, this one looks clean. This one looks like really yellow, and it's got like that mark on it. I have no idea what this is from, but these are the ones that are from my old motor. And the old motor, I know, never had any timing problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some brake cleaner. I'm going to take these rubber gaskets off right here, because you know, you don't want the brake cleaner to get that, because it'll eat that away. So I'm going to take these little rubber gaskets off right here, and I'm going to spray these with brake cleaner, and you know, take a rag and kind of clean them down. Put these ones in, then we will try and start the car up. If it still has the same code, then we will result to, like I said, we'll come over here and we will take this sensor right here and we will put that in. Alright, so they're all cleaned up the best that I could do. After I sprayed the brake cleaner on them, I did just blow on them. You can use compressed air if you have it, but I just blew on them, trying, you know, in case anything got inside or any little chunks or microfiber pieces, to kind of just try and blow it out. But I mean, they definitely look pretty clean. So let's install them, see what happens. Alright, so here's the latest update. The sensors, we had the cables swapped in the wrong spot. We literally swapped the cables after we put the new Vanos solenoid. Well, first we put the solenoids in, and then we never actually got it to run right. So we were like, oh, you know, let's swap the cables, Now it starts up fine, and I can rev it, and it runs right. I'll give you guys a sound clip of that right now. For those who are gonna wonder my exhaust setup, it's catless downpipes and straight pipe all the way back, except I have Borla S-type mufflers, which will be coming off because I like my cars loud and I want a straight pipe. So I'm gonna set you guys up on my other tripod, the jack stand right there, and I'll give you guys an exhaust clip. So I'm very happy. The motor's running. We do have a few things to still button up. I'm gonna need to order the gaskets for here, like I said, because we are leaking oil from here. And besides that, we should be good. So that's how we're gonna end today's video. I know this one was a very short one. I mean, I really just wanted to, you know, show you guys the first startup and the actual fix of the car. Again, we still have a few little minor things to do, and next video, hopefully what we'll do is we'll fix everything that needs to be done, and we'll throw the bumper and the headlights on, and we'll actually go for our first drive. And that video hopefully will be one of the best videos that we have yet to come. We do have GoPros now and stuff, so I could strap up a GoPro inside so you could see my reaction, or Steve can hold the camera and you guys can see my reaction, as well as have a GoPro with the exhaust setup and stuff like that. It's definitely gonna be fun. This you know, this channel we've been growing, you know, a few subscribers a day, and it's been making me extremely happy, and I'm glad that you guys see potential in this too. So really, I really just want to express my appreciation to you guys. I know we're only at 140 or 50 subscribers, and that's nothing to a lot of people, but to me, it's a lot, and it really makes me feel good to know people care about, you know, what I'm doing, what Steve's doing, and, you know, just what we're doing as a channel in general. So I just want to say thank you guys, and always remember, work hard, stay humble.